Are you ready to invest in the stock market? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Wealthsimple account and the things that you need to know before actually putting money in. Now, cue the intro. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Investing with Saraan. If you're new to this channel, I'm a young dividend investor who wants to end up earning $1,000 in dividends every month so I can retire early. But if you're a returning watcher who's seen a few of my previous videos, you may recognize this. If you want to use the links in the description or using the code on the right of the screen, QDSGTG, you'll be able to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a commission-free trading platform with instant deposits. Plus, by using the code and investing $100, you'll be getting an extra $10 to your account. Now, there's some of you that might just skip this, but there are those who actually watch it and are very interested in it. This video is for all of you. I'll show you how quick and easy it is to invest in the stock market with Wealthsimple Trade. In order to invest, you need to open an account. There are two different ways that you can do so. The first way would be using the app on Wealthsimple Trade like I'm doing. The app is available on the App Store for Apple devices or the Play Store for Android devices. You can also make an account using their website, which I left a link down below in the bottom of the description. For both of these methods, you need to press Get Started, and it will bring you to another page. You can also go directly to the step by clicking the first link in the description, which brings you to this page. In this process, it will ask you to make an account, which requires an email and a password to get started. You will then need certain information to actually open your investing account and be able to use it. The information that you'll need includes your first and last name, your email address, your residential address, your mailing address, your phone number, your birth date, your employment information, and most importantly, your social insurance number, also known as SIN number. I've already finished this process and have made an account, but for those of you that haven't, I'll let you know what the next steps are. Once you've gone through this process, there are three options for you to pick from. In Wealthsimple Trade or any investing platforms, investors have the choice of opening an account from three different options. The first one is a TESA, which is a tax-free saving account which has certain limits every year. The RRSP, which is a retirement savings plan, defers tax payments after retirement, so you won't have to pay the same tax as you would right now. And a personal account is taxable, but it has no limits. I've opened a personal and TESA account, but for those who are beginner investors, the best option for you is a TESA account. Before you open this account, make sure you have enough room in this account or you haven't used up your contribution room with the savings plan with the bank or etc. You can check your contribution room in the CRA website and it will let you know how much you have down below. Now that you've completed this step, you are ready to fund your account and start your investing journey. Now that you've learned how to set up your account, comment down below what other tutorials of Wealthsimple Trade that you would like to see from my channel. Remember, if you guys like this type of content and want to continue supporting me, punch that subscribe button down below and drop a like. Remember to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. It's been Saraan, and join me back next week where I'll show you how to fund and buy your very first stocks with Wealthsimple Trade. Bye for now. If you want to watch more videos from me, click on the videos down below.